Hello, it's Ben at Colorado Views. Sightseeing views and reviews of Colorado from a local perspective. And just doing a quick video here. Wanted to put this out to you, let you know what's going on. If you can see behind me here, it's fall here in Colorado. Things are changing. If you've been up to the mountains and seen that, you probably did that in September. That's the best time to see the changes in leaves. But now we're down here at a little lower altitude. Still a mile high or above, and that's when leaves start changing around here. In October, it's starting to get a little bit chillier. I can see my breath. Just wanted to come at you with some information about what's coming up. Got videos coming out about the haunted houses to go to, where to buy your costumes and mask making, and film festivals. So all sorts of fun stuff coming up. More informative videos that are headed your way. These are going to be great ones that you can share with your friends and family, especially as they're coming to town and they're asking you where to go, what you can do. I'm going to put out as much as I can think of as far as that goes. Any suggestions for me, please feel free. Let me know. Leave a comment below and tell me what you want to see. So if you like this video, if you want to see more of it, be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you'd like to see more coming up. Alright, thanks. This is all it for now.